All right, we're going to try to get a few viewer questions in now. We're going to start with one from Ebby, who says, and we'll start with, I guess, James on this one, says, with the nonstop unaccountability of the WEDC, losing taxpayer dollars, writing off bad loans, et cetera, when does our AG and the feds get involved? Or because it's taxpayer money, does it simply where no one cares? Do you think there's some criminal investigations here, or is it just sloppiness that was going on?
I think it's a little bit of both. I think it's sloppiness, of course, and I think the AG needs to get involved. I think you need that level of confidence just for everyone because it is the taxpayers' dollars at stake here. So I think we need a full investigation and the AG needs to get involved.
What do you think, Christian?
Yeah, I mean, I've obviously been in favor of just nuking the WEDC completely, getting rid of it. Anytime I think you have government handing over funds to private individuals, it's always rife for corruption. But I think if you see any legal action, it's going to be against the people that actually received the awards, not the ones that were actually giving it out, because there's allegations of fraudulent paperwork and things like that. So I think you may see something in that area.